Question number 1. PM Modi has been conferred the prestigious honor Order of Freedom of Barbados by which country? Correct answer is option B, Barbados. Question number 2. Which of the following statements is true regarding Part 14A of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B. It was added by the 42nd Amendment Act and includes Article 323A and 323B for tribunals. Question number 3. Which of the following committees recommended the insertion of fundamental duties leading to the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976? Correct answer is option B, Soren Singh Committee. Question number 4. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired the 7th meeting of the National Board for Wildlife in March 2025 at which of the following places? Correct answer is option B, Gir National Park, Gujarat. Question number 5. In terms of temperature, the speed of sound is highest in which of the following? Correct answer is option A, iron. Question number 6. Who is the author of the book The Argumentative Indian Writings on Indian History, Cultural and Identity? Correct answer is option B, Amartya Sen. Question number 7. Which shortcut key is used to paste the copied text or files in most applications? Correct answer is option C, Ctrl+V. Question number 8. Who is credited with designing the analytical engine considered the first mechanical general purpose computer that laid the foundation for modern computing? Correct answer is option B, Charles Babbage. Question number 9. What is the approximate cumulative target achievement percentage under India's major rural housing schemes Indira Awas Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin from the year 2000 to the milestone year 2022? Correct answer is option D, 85% to 90%. Question number 10. Which country awarded Prime Minister Narendra Modi its highest civilian honor, the Order of St. Andrew the Apostle? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Question number 11. Which country hosting the ICC Women's ODI Cricket World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, India, with Sri Lanka as co-host. Question number 12. Which goddess is traditionally honored during the Karagatam folk dance of Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is option C, Mariamman. Question number 13. Which is the largest natural freshwater lake in India situated in the Bandipur district of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is option B, Mular Lake. Question number 14. What is the default file extension for documents created in modern Microsoft Word? Correct answer is option C, .docx. Question number 15. Which dynasty built the Kandariya Mahadeva temple in Khajuraho? Correct answer is option C, Chandela dynasty. Question number 16. Which major port in India is the only riverine major port managed by a port trust? Correct answer is option C, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. Question number 17. Who is the current president of Chile? Correct answer is option B, Jose Antonio Cast. Question number 18. Which greenfield corridor project aims to drastically reduce travel time and improve connectivity between Assam and Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is option B, Gopur to Numalik Girk Greenfield and Road Project. Question number 19. The Lakshadweep Islands group lies close to which coastal plain of India? Correct answer is option B, Malabar coast. Question number 20. Which dynasty king Narasimha Deva I built the famous Konark Sun Temple in Odisha during the 13th century? Correct answer is option B, Eastern Ganga dynasty. Question number 21. In which city did Swami Vivekananda deliver his famous 1893 speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions? Correct answer is option B, Chicago. Question number 22. Under the Startup India Fund of Funds 2.0 initiative launched in April 2026, which of the following funding mechanisms options is primarily used to provide financial support to startups? Correct answer is option C, investment through SEBI registered alternative investment funds. Question number 23. In March 2025, who chaired the 7th meeting of the National Board for Wildlife held at Gir National Park? Correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Question number 24. Who was the first Indian ruler to accept the subsidiary alliance of Lord Wellesley in 1798? Correct answer is option C, Nizam of Hyderabad. Question number 25. Under section 3 of the Gram Nyayalayas Act 2008, who has the power to establish a Gram Nyayalaya for a given area after consultation with the High Court? Correct answer is option B, the state government. Question number 26. Which software tool or utility is used to rearrange the fragmented files on a storage device to improve system performance? Correct answer is option B, defragmenter. Question number 27. Which site in India provides evidence of continuous human habitation from the Paleolithic, Mesolithic to the Neolithic periods? Correct answer is option B, Bhimbedka Caves. Question number 28. Which of the following organs of the Indian government represents an integrated system? Correct answer is option C, judiciary. Question number 29. In journalism, what does the inverted pyramid structure represent? Correct answer is option A, placing the most important at the beginning of the story. Question number 30. Globalization refers to. Correct answer is option B, worldwide integration of markets and economics. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.